My name is Dr. Nirguna Thalla. I am an interventional pain physician at IBJI. Chronic pain is a multifaceted disease. It can encompass a lot of different things. My philosophy is to treat the whole patient. This can encompass not only providing interventions for patients that have degenerative conditions, also to see if there's rehabilitation needs or if there's other needs that are not being met. Anything that can really get them back to feeling like them usual selves. Whether that's, picking up their grandkids or golfing, specific activities that they really enjoy doing that they're not able to do because of their current pain conditions. The biggest thing that I get gratification from my job is to see patients improve. When they tell me that, doc, the injection worked or the medication worked or the therapy worked, and now I'm back doing what I love to do, that gives me a lot of personal reward and satisfaction. I've always really shared Midwest values and wanted to return to the area. Chicago is a place that I have a lot of family and friends, and I've always felt like this is a second home to me. Illinois Bone and Joint, everybody really takes care and supports one another. Their patient care philosophy really aligned with my own personal philosophy and my personal approach to taking care of patients.